Hi everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video we're going to do some planning together. So I'm going to grab my Tombow Fudenosuke Brush Pens, my Tombow TwinTone Dual-Tip Markers, and I also wanted to use one of my Tombow Dual Brush Pen sets, so I'm going to look in my drawer to pick one, and this time I'm going to use the tropical set. And I'm also using the Academic Passion Planner. The first thing I like to do is fill out my to-do lists, and here I have the personal and the work to-do list. Once I have a few items on these lists, I start filling up my days. I am color coding my items with the Tombow TwinTone Dual-Tip Markers. In this spread, I am going to use the fine tip, but you can also use the felt tip. I colored the today's focus section with the Tombow Dual Brush Pens. I picked light colors so I can see the writing on top. I only chose 3 colors, but I could have done 1 color per day or 1 color for all the boxes. I am also coloring the boxes on the left, which are this week's focus and good things that happen. Using the same color coding system, I am going to start adding my items to the day's portion on top. This is a type of lettering that I use when I want to keep things a little bit more simple and when I want to write in a smaller font. I let the Tombow Dual Brush Pens on top dry a little, and then I'm going to come back to today's focus portion and write the most important item of the day with the Tombow TwinTone Dual-Tip Markers. You can also use the twin tones to add some doodling, which you can also do with the Tombow Fudenosuke Brush Pens and the Tombow Dual Brush Pens. I doodled some jellyfish with the Tombow TwinTone markers, so now I added some bubbles with the Tombow Dual Brush Pens. For the family game day that my daughter organized, I am going to doodle a little mushroom. I added other items like doodling, washi tape, and stickers, and then I'll move to the space of infinite possibility. I am drawing abstract lines and shapes so I can create a background with the Tombow Dual Brush Pens for a quote that I wanted to letter using the Tombow Fudenosuke Brush Pens. I want to keep the center light enough so we can read the quote. So that's why I'm picking the brightest colors and leaving the darker teal in the corners. These are just super simple shapes. There's nothing special about them. I just want to fill out enough spaces and spread out the color around. Then I use the Tombow TwinTones to add textures to the shapes. Every shape has a different texture on the inside. For the first color, I use the felt tip. For the rest, I use the fine tip. To letter, I'm using the Tombow Fudenosuke Brush Pen. This is the hard tip and is perfect for beginners. I try to do a bouncing lettering style so that way it's less perfect and easier to write in a block without lines or a grid. To write the name of the author, I use my Tombow TwinTone Dual-Tip Markers. I added extra washi tape on the bottom, and for now I'm going to call that a day. This is how it looks at the beginning of my week, but sometimes I'd add a few extra items. I hope you enjoyed this planning session. If you want to share what you have been doing in your planner with Tombow products, make sure you use the hashtag TombowUSA. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye!